Hi there, have you been feeling blue lately? You, me, and most of the world. But let's look on the bright side, the white, blue, and white flag of freedom and peace. What is it? To find out, keep watching as we navigate Russian adjective endings for siniy, which is blue in Russian. Recently, some of you started taking notes in the comments. What a great idea! Please keep doing that and feel free to ask me any questions about Russian. Flag or flag is a noun of masculine gender and it goes with the adjective siniy, with E at the end, especially when we see it on the anti-war flag of Russia that's been adopted by the protest movement. A blue flag is siniy flag. You might even say a blue wave or sinya volna is sweeping Russia and the world. Volna is of feminine gender, and when we use it with the adjective sinya, it has the ending yaya. A blue wave is sinya volna. What most ordinary people want is sinya neba, or blue sky above our heads, as a universal symbol of peace. Neba is of neuter gender, and when used with the adjective sinya, it has yaya at the end. Blue sky is sinya neba. If you like the video so far, please give it a like so that more students could see it on YouTube. Now let's review the endings. Do you remember what we used with flag? Siniy, sinyaya, or siniye? Flag is of masculine gender, so we use it with siniy. A blue flag is siniy flag. How about volna or wave? Does it go with siniy, sinyaya, or siniye? Volna is of feminine gender, so we use it with sinya. A blue wave is sinya volna. Do you know what we use with neba? Siniy, sinya, or siniye? Neba is of neuter gender, so we use it with sinya. A blue sky is sinie neba. Now let's translate from English into Russian. Do you remember what is Russian for a blue flag? Siniy flag. What about a blue wave? Sinya volna. Do you remember what is Russian for a blue sky? Sinie neba. Let's fill in the blanks. Do you remember what we use with flag? Siniy. A blue flag is siniy flag. What about volna? It's sinya. Sinya volna is a blue wave. How about neba? Sinie neba. A blue sky is sinie neba. How do you find this video? Let me know in the comments. Let's review what we've learned. A blue flag is siniy flag. Flag is of masculine gender and we use it with the adjective siniy, with E at the end. A blue wave is sinya volna. Volna is of feminine gender and we use it with sinya, with yaya at the end. A blue wave is sinya volna. A blue sky is sinya neba. Neba is of neuter gender and we use it with the adjective sinya, with yaya at the end. A blue sky is sinya neba. In addition to the color, in English blue does mean sad. In Russian it's grusny, and I recently made a video about it to help you sound just like a native speaker. Check it out next and please take care, achievers!